Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Priyanka Singh from Qatar, would like to give a few reasons against the topic lockdown must be extended. In my opinion, I don't think lockdown should be extended because ever since this lockdown started, people have to work from home and students are forced to do online school, which is not effective that as offline school. If they open the schools office, people can go with masks and all the safety necessities to be taken. They can keep social distancing and go outside while following the rules. And for those who think we should not extend the lockdown, since people will not follow the rules, I say that they themselves will agree with the regulations. Many people are stuck in a particular places and want to go back to their hometowns. Some people like those who work in airports are not getting salaries as nobody is going to the airport because of this lockdown, and many other people are not getting proper salaries, so their life become very difficult. So their life became very difficult and they are getting stressed by staying at home. If they lift up the lockdown, the world will start working accordingly again with just a single change, which is social distancing and wearing the mask. This lockdown might be easy for some people, but some are suffering. India lost more jobs due to coronavirus than US did during depression. Extended lockdown means employers will start substituting humans with the machine and automation. The longer the lockdown, the faster the replacement of labor with technology solution. So, in my opinion, our government must reject the idea that lockdown must be extended except in the worst COVID-19 areas. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe and stay home.
Wow, excellent.
Thank
Very, very
you.
well said.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now I would like Jyoti to speak.
Yes.
Excellent, Priyanka. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am. My daughter helped me.
Yes, Jyoti, start.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Jyoti, and today's topic is lockdown must be extended. In my view, lockdown should not extend. As we all knows, what is lockdown and in which condition and why lockdown was applied due to COVID-19, Corona. Corona is a very terrible disease, and there is no medicine and cure still. Our scientists are working on this yet to find cure. Of course, we all know COVID-19 found an epidemic disease. After watch its results. Now come to the topic. When I there is a lot of reason that uh, I'm not favor to extend lockdown, because when lockdown was applied, there is a lot of people went through lot of problems. Number one, they faced hunger. They got they faced hunger, and they lost their shelter, because most of people live on rent. They lost their job, and lot of people got distressed. Every source of income has stopped, but for poor people and for middle class people, problems never end. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyoti. Yes, it was a good try. You spoke really well. And I'm really impressed. I told you not with your content, but at least you've taken the courage to speak on such a topic and you have really worked on it. Good job. Now, though,
It's written
Mamta,
by me, ma'am.
Good, 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 good. I see.
Thank
You
you.
should be happy with what you are doing. Of course, it gives me immense pleasure
Yes, yes.
when I see that Jyoti and when I see this Jyoti and this Priyanka. It makes me feel that I told you before also, what you pay may not change my life, but what I give to you might change your life. So, as you
Yes,
know,
today I also am feeling very happy.
yes, yes, that is my achievement when you feel happy. Now we come to Mamta, though she is, newcomer in our group, but I would really request her to speak a few words on lockdown. Yes, Mamta, please.
Yes, I am.
Uh,
This is my first topics. I am not prepared this topic, but I will try.
hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sure, sure. We are there to help
Yes,
you. Yeah.
yes. Ma'am. Myself, Mamta Singh. Today's topic is COVID-19. Uh, COVID is very dangerous. This is a virus, very harmful for body and for other persons because she is just that was just a any other person and you catch the virus in body and this time very safety for the others people because she is very dangerous and uh, just wait I'm listening.
Nothing to
Um,
worry, Mamta. I would tell you, since you are not prepared and since this is your first day of a school is difficult for the children. First day of a class is difficult for a learner. So good. See, I only motivate people who has the interest of going ahead and learning, taking challenges. And I'm really, really, really very happy with Priyanka and Jyoti. I feel it's my achievement. Well done. Never mind, you are a newcomer, and with time, if these two people can do miracles in 1 month, I believe in the upcoming months, in next 6 months to 1 year, I am 100% sure that you are going to rule and you will forget who you were 6 months, 1 year back. And that, action speaks more than your words. And what I'm saying, I am not saying just to make you happy. I'm saying this because I'm experiencing this. Because when your child was born, how was your child on the first day, and how are they when they are grown. So you have seen the entire transition. So I have also seen the transition from day one till now, and it is a good going. Well done. Thank you so much.